Hi guys, welcome to this quick video about the question what glue we have to take to repair shoes, especially to reattach the shoe sole to some shoes, or like here flip-flops. I've been testing this about 2 months ago, and of course this is what most people are recommending to use. That's the shoe glue, but it has also disadvantages, of course. I mean, the price is definitely not a disadvantage. It's pretty cheap, so definitely no issue with that. But there are two problems. I mean, not everybody has something like this at home, and compared to this, the super glue, I mean, you can find that basically in every household. Everybody has that usually at home. And this you would have to find, maybe you can find it in Home Depot, I don't even know. Yeah, probably you can get it, but still you have to drive there, it takes some time. And also another big disadvantage, you have to stick the parts together for about 24 hours. So the super glue has definitely huge advantage when it comes to availability and speed, and I've been testing that. Here on this side I've been using the super glue about 2 months ago, and you can see, yeah, it's holding up really nicely. Nothing came loose, absolutely no problem with that. So this is definitely something which seems to work. Also on this side I've been using more or less, or most of it, especially in the front side, I've been using super glue, and in the back I've been using this shoe glue, and you can see everything is holding up nicely, even with spending a lot of time here, especially in the front. Of course, there's most of the bending, and that's the area where I've been using super glue. I've been a little bit worried because super glue seems to be for me a little bit more like not flexible. I expected some like cracking and then separating again, but it didn't happen. Looks like it's really also working, but of course it's much more expensive. It's a little bit more dangerous, I would say, that you stick your fingers to the shoe or shoe sole or so. But other than that, I would say it's definitely working. At least the gel here, this is always the thing which I recommend. That's the better thing, better quality, also the more healthy or less unhealthy version. If you have the choice to go either with the gel or the non-gel, the thin liquid, then go with the gel. It has a lot of advantages also regarding usage. So I would say, yeah, you can definitely use super glue to repair shoes. You don't have to be worried that it's falling apart again really fast. So this is it. I just wanted to let you know, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other opinions on that, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.